Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500, 2WD truck equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in silver with a black interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 350 crate motor paired with headers and a dual Flowmaster exhaust, giving it a deep, aggressive tone and solid performance on the road. The truck sits high with an impressive total lift of approximately 9 inches and is mounted on 37-inch tires, including a full-size spare, adding to its bold and rugged presence. It features newer truck wheels and is fitted with a digital dash that adds a modern touch to the classic interior. While the cabin is fairly clean for its age, the headliner could benefit from reupholstering. The air conditioning system is present but will need to be recharged. Number 2. 1973 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500. This pickup is a classic truck with 113,000 miles and plenty of upgrades. It features a powerful 454 big block engine and turbo 400 automatic transmission, both freshly rebuilt with only 8,000 miles since the paperwork included. It also has a new torque converter, good 33-inch tires, and a bed liner. The white exterior is paired with a clean blue interior, complete with a nice stereo system and CB radio. While it has some rust spots and could use a new paint job, the truck runs strong and has been well cared for. As a bonus, it comes with a free 1978 8-foot Western Wilderness camper that's been remodeled with a retro style. The owner simply doesn't use it anymore and hopes it finds a good home. Number 3. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,900, well-preserved example of a classic diesel truck, boasting 181,000 original miles. Finished in green with a clean gray interior, it features a 6.5L turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive. It's a 2WD extended cab with a long bed, ideal for both hauling and cruising. For its age, the truck is in excellent condition. The exterior remains impressively nice with no major flaws, and the interior is nearly flawless, super clean and all original. Every system is in full working order, including the lights, power windows and locks, windshield wipers, radio, CD player, air conditioning, heater, and even the power driver's seat. It starts right up every time and drives smoothly with solid brakes and a dependable ride. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has clearly been well cared for throughout its life. A rare find in this condition. Number 4. 1980 GMC 1500, price $9,000. Dependable and clean classic pickup that blends vintage appeal with solid mechanical performance. It features a crisp white exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a timeless, bold look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 cubic inch V8 engine mated to a 350 automatic transmission, offering smooth acceleration and reliable performance. This two-wheel drive truck comes with a clean title and has recently passed the DEQ emissions test, a testament to its roadworthiness. It also comes with brand new registration tags. One of the key highlights is the rebuilt transmission, with receipts included to confirm the recent work. Fueling this truck is standard gasoline, making it convenient to drive and maintain. Number 5. 1988 GMC 1500, price $4,700. This pickup is a sharp-looking truck with just 74,000 miles on the odometer. It features a powerful, brand-new 383-stroker engine built by SJ in Spokane, paired with a built TH400 automatic transmission for smooth and reliable performance. The truck runs on gasoline and is a 2WD model, ideal for both customization or daily utility use. Finished in fresh black paint with a matching black interior, it has a sleek, aggressive look. It's also equipped with an electric cutout exhaust system, offering a more dynamic driving experience. Over $8,000 has been invested into the engine and transmission work, with receipts to back it up. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,000. This is a well-maintained classic truck with just 70,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance and smooth shifting. This long bed 8-foot pickup offers practicality for hauling, while features like power steering, power brakes, and cruise control ensure a comfortable driving experience. The truck is equipped with dual fuel tanks, providing extended range for longer trips. Recent upgrades include brand new brakes, a new exhaust system, new tires, and a new battery, making it road-ready and dependable. Running great and offering vintage charm with solid capability, this Chevy 2500 is a standout choice for enthusiasts or anyone in need of a tough, classic truck. Number 7. 1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,200, powered by a strong 5.7L 350 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and is finished in classic white with a blue interior. Recently, the transmission was completely rebuilt with a performance shift kit, Z-Pack, and heavy-duty clutches, an upgrade that alone cost over $8,000. Alongside the transmission work, a long list of new parts have been installed, including a brand new radiator, water pump, brake calipers, rotors, brake pads, and a high-quality Napa fuel pump. The ignition system features a new Napa distributor, and the exhaust system has been upgraded with new exhaust manifolds and a Gibson 3-inch inlet to dual 2.5-inch outlet exhaust for improved performance and sound. Number 8. 1987 Dodge Ram, price $2,950. This pickup is a former U.S. Forest Service truck, originally used for utility and field operations. While it may not win any awards for appearance, what it lacks in looks, it more than makes up for in mechanical reliability. Trucks maintained by the Forest Service are known for receiving consistent and thorough upkeep, and this Dodge is no exception. Under the hood, it features a strong-running 360 cubic inch V8 engine, mated to a 4-speed manual transmission that provides smooth and direct control. The truck is equipped with a 2-wheel drive system, which suits its original purpose as a service vehicle. Although the body shows signs of age and use expected from a vehicle with this kind of work history, it still holds its own on the road. Number 9. 1972 Ford F250, price $10,000, powered by a strong 390 H-code V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a C6 automatic transmission. It runs and shifts great, with power disc brakes and power steering for easy handling. Factory features include air conditioning, a CB radio, an 8-track player, dual gas tanks, and original hubcaps. The truck wears its original yellow paint with some older touch-ups and minimal rust. The body is straight with a solid tailgate, nice glass, and doors that close with ease. Inside, the black interior features an excellent original seat and upgraded LED dash lights. Recent updates include new load-range tires, door and vent rubbers, taillight and turn signal lenses, cab lights, a rebuilt Holley carburetor kit, dual exhaust, and a new rag joint in the steering box. Number 10. 1983 Chevrolet C30, price $6,000. This pickup is a solid and dependable example of classic American truck craftsmanship. With approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. The truck features a bold yellow exterior paired with a clean beige interior, maintaining a classic and eye-catching look. Overall, the vehicle is in good condition and runs and drives well. It has been well taken care of over the years, though it does show some signs of its age. There are a few minor body issues, including a couple of dents and a damaged fender caused by the previous owner. These flaws are purely cosmetic and do not affect the truck's performance.